Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So I have an exciting update to announce on the new treadle hammer kit that we've been offering at our website over at www.blacksmithingblanks.com. Be sure to check that out. The link for that will be down in the description down below. But some awesome things are happening. Let's flip you around and show you what I got. All right, so this video is going to be about the new Air Assist kit that is available for this entire treadle hammer kit. Now you may be asking, well, what is this treadle hammer kit? Where can I find one? You have questions, I've got answers. Let's get right into them. So this kit you can find again over at our website. It comes with everything you need to install the kit onto a singular 2x4. That's its mounting platform. As you can see in the shop, I have it mounted to a much more sturdier beam because I do not have 2x4 studs in my shop or wall space that would hold that nice and rigidly. So I have to mount it to an additional beam in the shop and make it look right. But it comes with everything that you need, all the bolts, fittings, springs, chains, foot treadle brackets, the Air Assist stuff. If you get the Air Assist option, it comes with everything that you need to take and turn this into a functioning, running, air-powered power hammer, except for this and that. So you need to supply your own sledgehammer because the shipping on that would be very, very costly. So you do need to provide your own sledgehammer and a striking surface to strike upon. That could be a striking anvil, something similar to what I've got all those tools sitting on over there. It could be a railroad track anvil. It could be one of these cheap Achio anvils. It could be one of these big anvils. Doesn't really matter. You can adapt it to suit yourself. But so what is so exciting about this, you may ask? Well, this is a truly air-assisted treadle hammer. Not only can you use this in treadle mode, but you can also use the Air Assist. So let me come here. So there you have it. Like I said, you can use the Air Assist or you can use the treadle, either one. So you can do your hard hitting blows, and then you can come over here and do your soft hitting blows if you need to do more refined work. So there you are. Pretty darn exciting, right? So all of this that you see here for a limited amount of time, we will ship to you, again, the entire treadle hammer kit and the Air Assist and everything. We will ship to you free of charge if you use the coupon code TreadleShip. So over at our website, you can get that. You can get the full-fledged kit. You can get just the treadle hammer kit without the Air Assist. And then you can also get the Air Assist itself separate if you've already purchased the treadle hammer kit. And we've already emailed our previous purchasers about that and have gotten them taken care of with a brand new Air Assist. So now you may be wondering, how much air does this thing take? And it absolutely sips the air. The air that it can take, you can run this thing off of, is a little 3-gallon air compressor, just like so. Now, is that optimum? Will that put out the kind of pressure that you may want? Probably not. In general, I would suggest something around a 15-gallon air compressor. That's not a huge shop air compressor. That's still considered a super portable air compressor. And you should be able to run this, and I'm talking a cheap one, you should be able to run this kit just fine off of that. The hose that goes to the air cylinder is only a 1/4-inch hose, and the air cylinder itself is 1 1/4 inch bore diameter. So it's a fairly small air cylinder, and it has a very fast action to it, which allows us to use it with our spring and the way the rest of the kit is designed with the leverage that it's happening to be able to throw down on some steel very effectively. So it really does just sip the air. Okay, so that's all well and fine, right? But let's get down to the brass tacks, shall we? How much does this kit cost? The kit costs $500 USD for just the treadle hammer itself, and it costs $700 USD for the air-assisted upgraded version. So you can buy either one or whatever fits your budget within those price points there. And then if you have already purchased a treadle hammer kit and you would like to add an air assist to that, you can add that for an additional, for just a $200 upgrade. So if you've already purchased something for $500, we're not going to charge you an extreme amount to buy the air assist at a later date. You can always get the air assist at a later date. So that will be great there. Now we are offering both the treadle hammer kit itself and the treadle hammer kit with the air assist with free shipping. All you have to do is use the coupon code TreadleShip at checkout, and we will take and get those kits shipped out to you at our cost, which is free, right? Free shipping to you anywhere in the US of A. So that's how much it costs. Now, the question will always come up, and I'm sure there will be 1,000 comments in this video saying how I can make it cheaper, or I only got $12 to spend, so that's overpriced, or it's this or that, or what have you. And I'd like to address those comments now. My aim is not to make something for $3. I can't do that. I can't do that as a company. But what my goal is with these kits is to offer a nice low price point for those people that are ready to take their blacksmithing endeavors to that next level with power equipment. And you don't have $5,000 or $3,000 or $4,000 or $10,000 to spend on a nice new fancy power hammer or treadle hammer or anything like that. I'm not saying with this kit that you couldn't build something like it for cheaper by yourself. That's not what I'm saying. I'm trying to offer a fully fleshed out, perfectly engineered kit that is ready to go, that you can set up within an hour and be smashing hot steel with it. That is my goal, and that's my aim, is to take and help out the little guy with a price point, a professionally made product that's made all right here by yours truly, and also Thomas Goodymoot. He's been helping me in the shop as well. It is made by us in shop for you, made by blacksmiths for blacksmiths. So that's the intentions with this kit. So thank you for humoring me with that. So without waffling on a bit any more about this kit, I want to go ahead and leave you all with just forging, right? Like, let's get on with it. Let's go pound some hot steel. Show us how it actually works, Roy. So I intend to do that, and I'll let the video trail off with that. So without further ado, God bless each and every last one of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to the channel members, and thank you for all your support and all the people who've purchased these treadle hammer kits and purchased all the blanks that we offer over our website, www.blacksmithingblanks.com. Thank you guys so much for that. We really do appreciate it. Now let's go pound some hot steel, and you guys can get to buying. Thanks a lot. Bye.